Alright, take a look at these images. We generated them from Canva. Please watch this video to the end as we take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can generate your own images. Welcome to Wonder TV. Today we have got another exciting edition all about wealth creation. Our mission here is to share knowledge, techniques, and tips to help you on your journey to building wealth. If you are new to our channel and have dreams of creating wealth, we would love for you to join our community. Just take a moment and click on the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know whenever we post informative videos, just like the one you're about to watch. Thank you for being here. Alright, let's look at how we can create images using Canva. Alright, the first step is to go to canva.com. Once you go to canva.com, it will take you to a page like this. And the next step is to sign up on Canva. To sign up on Canva is very easy. The only thing required is your email address. And once you sign up, it's going to take you to this same page. Then the next thing, which is the third step, remember the first step was to go to canva.com. The second step was to sign up. The third step is to create a design. So you go over to your right corner, you see where we have create a design. You click on it, or you can come to where we have this custom size and click on it. Once you click on the custom size, you input figures depending on the size of your design. If you want your design to be large, you put large figures. Okay, for instance, now I'm going to click on this custom size. Once I click here, the width here, let me go for 3000. Then the height, I will go for 2000. Alright, once you're through with that, you click on create new design. Once you click on create new design, it will take you to a new page. Alright, this is how the page is going to look like. Alright, once you come to this new page, move down, you see an icon there with the name apps. Click on it. Once you click on it, wait a while for it to load. Then you go down. You see this icon here. This icon is text to image. This one here. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Then in this box, click on it and type in whatsoever you want. Okay, for instance, now I want to generate an image of a dog. So I'm going to type in there a dog. Alright. Once you're through with the text, you go down to where we have create your image and click on it. Wait a while. It's loading. Canva is going to bring out 4 images, then you select the best from them. Alright, remember I type in a dog. Can you see this dog? This dog is an AI image. So this is how you can create your image using Canva. Let's create another one. Open this, a fresh page. Alright, you go to that same box. Can you see the box? Now I'm going to delete a dog. Then let me put a dog with a cat. A dog with a cat. Once you're through with your text, you go to create again. Click on it and wait. Alright, it's loading. Can you see? Alright, so once you're through with that, Canva will always bring out 4 different images. Then you now pick the best from them. Alright, as you can see, we have 4 images, cats and dogs. So you go for the best. I think I like this one here. So once you pick your choice, you click on the image. It will come over here. You can make it to your size. Enlarge the image to your size. Alright, once you're through with this, you go up to where we have share. Click on it. Then move to where we have download. Click on the download. Then we have 2 images here. The first one was the dog we generated. Then the second one is this dog and cat. If you want to download all the images, you click on done. If you want to download just one, you click on the page, the one you want to download, you click on that page. Okay, for instance, here we want to download the dog and the cat. So you click on this page 2, then you now click on done. Once you click on done, you now click on download. It's going to download to your PC. Can you see it? It's downloading. So guys, that is how you can create AI images. Then once you're through with those images, you can now use them for anything you wish to. You can use them as wallpaper. You can even sell them if you want to. So that's that for today's video on how to create AI images. Alright, that's all for today's video. Please feel free to drop your comments and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more insightful content on wealth creation, and until next time, keep reaching for your dreams. Thanks for being part of the Wonder TV family, and we look forward to see you in our next video. Take care.